स्वागत है आपका F2S ओलंपियाड्स क्लासेस के यूट्यूब चैनल पर। इस चैनल के माध्यम से हम करेंगे ओलंपियाड एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन। यहाँ मैं आपको टॉपिक वाइज कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी के साथ साथ वर्कशीट्स भी करवाने वाली हूँ। तो ऐसे इंफॉर्मेटिव और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस के लिए इस चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो 15 क्वेश्चन हमने पिछले लेक्चर में कर लिया है। आज हम शुरू करेंगे 16th क्वेश्चन से। ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, द टेम्परेचर ऑफ मनाली ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डे was 12 degree centigrade. After few days, the temperature will be 7 degree centigrade. The temperature of Manali will be dash by dash than the previous temperature. तो इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज पहले क्या था, उस दिन एक दिन था वो 12 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, नाउ द टेम्परेचर विल बी 7 डिग्री, तो डेफिनेटली इट विल डिक्रीज, है ना, टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज बिकॉज 12 से 7 आ गया, तो डिक्रीज, बट बाय हाउ मच, तो 12 minus 7, that is your 5 degree centigrade, तो decrease by 5 degree centigrade, that is your option C. तो 16th answer will be your C. Okay, come to the 17th question. Which of the following is incorrect? Which of the following is incorrect? So here it is 18.745 kg. 18 point means 18,745. Total it is gram. ठीक है, 18 kg means here it is, if in the kg it is written as 18.745, then this will be your kilogram and this is your gram. So this is correct. 90.080 liter. So 90 is the liter and 080 is the milliliter. 080 milliliter means 80 milliliter only. But here it is 800 milliliter, which is wrong, incorrect. 11 centimeter, 8 milliliter. So 11 centimeter means how much millimeter? So we know 1 centimeter, 10. 11 centimeter, 110 millimeter, and 110 millimeter and plus 8 millimeter, that is your 118 millimeter. Correct. 18 kilometer, 804 meter. 18 kilometer means 18,000 kilometer, 18,000 meter. It is your 18,000 meter plus 804. This is your 18,804. Correct. So incorrect is B. 17th option will be your B. ठीक है, 18th क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, 13 bags of sugar cost rupees 2,530. Okay, if each bag contains 5 kg of sugar, then find the cost of 1 kg of sugar. 13 bags of sugar cost 25 this. Each bag contains 5 kg of sugar, means total sugar is, total amount of the sugar is, so first I will write total quantity of sugar. Total quantity of sugar equal to, one bag has 5 kg and such bags they have 13. So 13 multiply 5, that is your 65 kg. Total sugar is 65 kg. It means 65, for 65 kg its cost is 2535 rupees, 2535. So for 1 kg, for 1 kg definitely it will be less. It will be less. So if it will be less, it means you have to divide using unitary method. So just divide it. 2535 in your notebook, 2535 divide by 65, you will get 39. So 1 kg costs 39 rupees. So this is your option C. 18th answer will be C. Okay? 19th. Question number 19. An empty jar weighs 3 kg 125 gram. Reshma put some marbles of weight 54 gram each. But we don't know how many marbles. Okay? Now the total weight is 4 kg 97 gram. How many marbles did Reshma put in the jar? देखो, earlier it was 3 kg 125 gram. To make the question easy, first convert all the units in gram. ठीक है, तो 3 kg means 3000 gram plus 125 gram. This is your 3125 gram. Second one, after putting. Okay, this is before and this is after putting the some marbles. After putting some marbles, weight is your 4 kg 97 gram. So 4 kg means 4000 and plus 97 gram. So this is your 4097 gram. So how much weight is increased after putting the marbles by Reshma? How much weight is increased? So increment in weight. Increment in weight equal to 4097 minus 3125. 7 minus 5, 2, 9 minus 2, 7, 10 minus 1, 9, 3 minus 3, 0. I have taken borrow here. ठीक है, तो 972. Extra weight is increased 972 gram by putting the 54 gram each weight marble. So total number of marbles put here. Total number of extra marbles put here. Marbles equal to the extra weight 972 divide by the weight of one marble, that is your 54. So you will get, when you divide in your notebook, 972 divide by 54, so you will get 18. It means she has put 18 extra marbles. So option D, 19th answer will be your option D. Okay, come to the question number 20. Which of the following option is correct? We have to find the correct option. 8 liter, 42 milliliter. Okay, so 8 liter means 8000 milliliter. 8 liter, 8000 milliliter and plus 42 milliliter. So it will be your 8042 milliliter. But here it is 842. 3 hectometer, 4 decameter. So, and you have to convert it into meter. So 1 hectometer equal to how much meter? You can remember it using the poem. So what was the poem? Millicenti decimeter deca hecto kilometer. This was the poem. Now hectometer to meter you have to come first. So hectometer to meter, 100 meter. So 3 hectometer, 3 hm equal to 300 meter. Now 4 decameter. So 1 decameter equal to how much meter? You can see 0. So 10 meter. 4 decameter equal to 40 meter. Total sum will be 340. So 340, yes, it is correct. Okay? So 20 में B option is correct. So we can just check 75 kilometer 15 meter. It should be 75,000, but it is 7,000. Wrong. 2 decigram and centigram. So decigram means 20. So it should be 25. It is also wrong. Option B is the correct answer. 20 answer will be B. Okay. Number 21. Aarti started walking to mall at 8:25 p.m. Okay. She reached the mall at 8:45 p.m. How long did she take to walk to the mall? कितना time लगा उसको? 8:25 to 8:45. So we can subtract here. So just make 2 column, hour and minute column. Finishing time is at 8:45 and the starting time is 8:25. So 5 minus 5, 0, 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 8, 0. So 0 are 20 minutes. Answer will be your 20 minute. That is 21. Answer is option B. Okay. Come to the question number 22. If Pooja goes for dance classes on all odd days in September 2000XX, okay, then how many days will she go for dance classes? Every Sunday is the holiday. All the Sunday will be holiday. So we are not going to count these days. Okay? And on all odd days, she is going only on odd days. So all the even numbers cut first. We are not going to count any even number here. Remove all the even number. I think you know what are even numbers. Okay, I've removed all the even numbers. Now how many days are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 days. So how many days did she go? 13 days. Option C. So 22 answer will be option C. Take care. Come to the question number 23. Two clocks P and Q are shown here. Clock P is 20 minutes slow. It runs 20 minutes slow. And clock Q is 30 minutes fast. It runs 30 minutes fast. Which of the following option is correct? It is 12. According to clock P, actual timing is 2:40. Right now it is 2:30 and it is 20 minutes slow. It means it should move 20 more. So 2:30 plus 20, it will be your T, 250, and its answer should be 250. But it is so saying 240. Wrong, not correct. According to clock Q, the actual time after 10 minutes will be 3:20. So first find the actual time. Actually, it is 30 minutes fast. So correct timing is 3:30. Correct timing is 3:30. And after 10 minutes, it should be 3:40, and it is saying 3:20. No, it is also wrong. So which option is correct? Neither A nor B, because this is correct. The 23rd option will be your D. Okay? Now come to the question number 24. The given clock shows the time at which Monica goes to work. She comes home after 3 hours 15 minutes. At what time does she came back? Okay? This is the starting time when she is going to the office or work. Okay? At which Monica goes to work. It is 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock right now. After 3 hours 15 minutes, it will be, you can directly add 8, 3 and 15. So it will be your 5, 1, 11, 15. So when she will return or come back, it will be your 11, 15. So 24th answer will be your B. Option B. Okay? Now come to the question number 25. If day before yesterday was Tuesday, then tomorrow will be. If this type of question will come, to always make a table. This table will be, this is today, then this side will be your tomorrow, okay, and then it will be your day after tomorrow, and this side will be your yesterday, and it is your day before yesterday. Okay, now read the question. If day before yesterday was Tuesday, then tomorrow will be. So this is Tuesday. It is Tuesday, then it is Wednesday. Wednesday, then it is Thursday. And if it is Thursday, then it is Thursday, Friday. Okay? Then it will be your Friday. The question is asking tomorrow will be. Option B is the answer. So 25 answer will be B. Okay? Now question number 26. Question 26. Ramya started studying at time shown below. After 2 hours 15 minutes, she stopped and took some rest. Okay. Shown below starting. This is the starting time and this is the stop time. Okay. She again studied for another 1 hour 45 minutes and then stopped at the time shown. This is the final stop. How long was her rest period? So first we have to find what is the timing starting. So starting at 4:25, 25, ठीक है, and finished at which time? 9:20. 9:20. How much total duration she has taken in their study and break? So first we will find that one. So subtract finishing time minus starting time. For this we will make two column, hour and minute column. Hour is 9, minute is 20, hour is 4, minute is 25. If we will subtract, the 25 cannot be subtracted from 20. It means we have to take one borrow. One borrow means it will be 8 hour and it will be 6 plus 60 minutes. Because in 1 hour there is 60 minutes. Okay. So 80 minus 25. Now the answer subtraction will be your 80 minus 25. So this is your 55. Okay? And 8 minus 4. The total time she has taken 4 hours 55 minutes. Now, total time she has taken for study is 2 hour 15 minutes and 1 hour 45 minutes. So, total time taken in the study, we will do this. Total time taken in study equal to hour, minute, and this is your 2 hour 15 minute, 1 hour 45 minute, 15 plus 45 60, 2 plus 1 3, total 4 hours. 60 minute equal to 1 hour, so and 3 hour here, so this is your 4 hours. 4 hours she has studied and total she has taken 4 hours 55 minutes. So it means she has taken the rest of 55 minutes. Okay, because if we remove 4 hours, so we will left with the 55 minutes. So 26th answer will be option number D. Okay. Now question number 27. Convert 15 days, 16 hours, 12 minutes into minutes. So we have to convert 15 days into minute first, then 16 hours into minutes, then 12 is already in the minute. So start with the 15 days. In the 15 days equal to how many minutes? We know 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 15 days equal to how many hours? So 15 multiply 24. Okay. And 15 multiply 24 will be your 360 hours. 360 hours. Okay. And here 16 hours is already there. So total hours equal to 360 plus 16, that is your 376. Okay. So 376 and you have to convert it into minute. So okay. So total minutes equal to 376 multiply by 60, because we know in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Okay. If you multiply 376 with 60, you will get 22,560. 22,560 minutes. Okay. Now another 12 minutes are also there. So we need to add 22,560 plus 12. this will be your 22,572. Where it is? It is in the option number D. The 27th answer will be option D. अब हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. Question 28 is, at a certain place the temperature in the morning is 25 degree, it gone up by 15 degree in the noon and further gone down by 10 degree in the evening. Find the temperature in the evening. So 25 degree temperature in the morning it is 25 degree. It was increased by 15 degree in the noon. So now it is 40 degree. Again decreased, down means decreased by 10 degree. So it means it will be 30 degree. Answer will be C. 28th answer is C. Okay. 29th. Question number 29. Manish took 12 minutes 30 seconds to run around a 800-meter track. Raghav took 13 minutes 45 seconds to run around the same track. How much less time did Manish take to run around the track than Raghav? So subtraction. How much less? How much more? Subtraction. So for subtracting, make two column, minute and second column. First we will write the Raghav's timing because he is taking the more time, and then we will write the Manish time. He is taking the less time. 5 minus 0, 5, 4 minus 3, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So 1 minute 15 second it is. 1 minute 15 second. Option B. 29th answer is option B. Okay. Question number 30. Question number 30. Mohit's weight is 77 kilogram 240 gram and his brother's Ashish's weight is 5 kg less than the Mohit's. Find the total weight of Mohit and his brother. So first we will find the weight of Ashish, his brother. Okay. So weight of Ashish equal to Mohit's weight minus 5 kg. So first we will make two column, kilogram and gram. 77 kg, 240 and here it is 5 kg and 000 gram. So 240 will be as it is. 7 minus 5, 2. 72 kg, 240 gram is the Ashi's weight. So total weight will be equal to 77, 240, 72, 240. This will be in kilogram. This will be in gram. 0, 448, 224, 729, 7714. Total weight is 149 kilogram and 480 gram. So it is in the option number A. So 30th answer will be option A. Option number A. This will be your answer. So, okay. So we have done all the 30 practice questions of the measurements. Okay. You can just go through this and you can practice some more questions at home for better preparation. Okay. Thank you. आई होप आपको बताए हुए सारे कंटेंट्स अच्छे से समझ आ गए होंगे. अगर फिर भी कोई डाउट्स रह गया है तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. आई विल ट्राई टू क्लियर योर डाउट्स देयर. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. थैंक यू.